Oh, my head. This wasn't a good idea to sleep during the night. What am I even saying? Wait, what day is it? Let's check. It's January 1st. But just to make sure it's not January 2020, let's see. What day is today? Alright, it's January 1st, 2021. Let's go! Okay, let's see. Let's go to inbox. Do you think I'll believe this? It's like the same joke since 2020. It's kind of getting old. I don't believe in this. What nonsense. Probably some troll. This wasn't a pretty good idea. Wait a minute. Something about this seems familiar. Wait. Okay, wait. What? No, wait. What day is today? Okay. It's Friday, January 1st, 2021. Must have been a bad dream. Alright, let's go to inbox. Wait, I thought I deleted this message. Okay. I'm pretty sure what? Okay, I'm so confused. Alright, let's just, maybe I deleted it in my dream. This just came right now, alright. Deleto in, wait. Where am I? Oh, wait. Oh, God. Okay, wait, let's open Gmail. What? Okay, I'm genuinely scared right now. Okay. Okay. This better be a bad dream. No. I'm not gonna do it. I am not going to do it. If I'm gonna do it, it's gonna repeat. Oh, what? I didn't even click on anything. Oh, what the? Oh God. Holy crap. What is this? What? There goes nothing. Huh. It was all just a bad dream. Just to make sure. Whew. Huh? What the? Oh. Oh. That's what they meant by movie. But what teaser? Oh, the teaser by One Giant Onion. Oh, yeah. Good job on surviving 2020. Aw, thanks. For... Wait, there's another 2020. What the? Did 2020 just rickroll me? I know what must be done.